Yeah. Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to another lesson of today. Actually, it's been a while. I uploaded a video. Due to my grandma burial, I'm so much busy these days and trying out to fix up some things. Okay, but nevertheless, I still need to put in some videos. Okay, I still need to put in some videos online. So I just want to make this video very simple. Okay, for today I want to show you different ways to improvise on different keys, because so many people have been asking me that on the comment section. Okay, on the comment section. So I believe it's going to help you and also enhance your playing as well. Okay, so for today I want to let you understand. And before I go into this lesson, I want you to watch this video, the video I made on how to play all keys, how to know all your keys, how to improvise on all your keys. Okay, I believe with that video you'll be able to understand what I want to do now, and you get more knowledge and idea and how to improvise on different keys because one of the challenges so many guitarists are having today is how to improvise on different keys, like going to church and they play on the different key that you're not familiar with, and it looks difficult. It looks as if you can't play that particular key. Okay, so in this video I want to give you like maybe two tips or few tips that will help you at first play on different keys, in churches, and in any question you find yourself, you can play it perfectly. You can play on any key perfectly. So at first I want to start with this key of C. This is the key of C on the third string. Okay, so these are okay. So the first thing you need to know is, like in the key of C now, this is the third fret. Okay, sorry, this is the 1 2 3 4 5. This is the fifth fret. Okay, on the third string you have your key of C here again, and you have it here again. You have the root here again. You have it here again. Okay, and you have it here again. Okay, you have it here again. Okay, so from this place now you now have it here on the third string again. So from this place again you can run your scale forward, of which you're going to use this pinky finger to do that. Okay, from here. So understand? Okay, from this place. So now you have your C again, your C root. Okay, so from here again you can run your scale upward again. Okay, you have it here again. That should be on the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, on the ninth fret. Okay, so from here you can run your scale downward. So when you're running your scale downward from here, you use your index finger, this other finger. Okay, you use your index finger. So from here, okay, from here you can play like this. come down to your mi on the fifth string. Okay, so come down again, come down again. Okay, so you have your C root here again. Okay, so from here again you can come down. Okay, so you have your root D again. So from here to here it's the same position. Okay, so from here you can have your scale again. Okay, okay, so in some diverse improvisation, like you playing a song, you can simply if for instance you are playing a song in the key of C, you know that you have your C root D again. You know that you have your C root D again. Okay, and you have your C root D again. Okay, so how do you have it here? From this place you can run your scale from your third string here, third string here. Okay, so you have your C root D again. Okay, okay, come back to here now. You use your index finger to do the scale down again. Okay, okay, okay. So when you are improvising, maybe you are playing on your one, okay, maybe your do, maybe you have a progression, you have a song, the progression is like maybe 1 1 4, maybe 1 4 5, which is the do, va and so. Okay, instead of playing here you can play it here. That is the simplest way to have your chord here again. Okay, okay, and this is your 4 chord now, and this is your 5th chord now. You know, so this is just like an instance. So when you watch that video I made on all the keys, you use the same pattern. Okay, you use the same pattern to improvise on all the keys, on all your fretboard, the keys on all the fretboard. Okay, like I showed you here, like I make some scales here, okay, up and down, and that is how they used to improvise. You can see someone can play, okay, someone can play here, someone can play here, someone can play here. Okay, just when you know your scale positions, okay, you'll be able to understand that. Okay, so watch the video to the end, and please subscribe if you've not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the end of my video. Okay, all right, see you in the next video. Bye.